Hey sweet cheeks, how you doing? My name is Rokeya Khalifa. If you've never seen my face before, this is your first time to stop by. My name is Rokeya Khalifa. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn notification up if you haven't. Now if you're my old subscriber, hello guys, how you doing? I hope you guys doing amazing because I am. Now if you have not yet turned notification up, this is the perfect time to do so. So every time I do upload a new video, you're gonna be the first one to watch. But anyways guys, so today's video, like you can tell by the title, I got a pair of new trainers. Let me just stop it. You can tell by the title guys, today's video is about the trainers. I bought the trainers 2 days ago and I thought to myself it wouldn't be that bad to come here to show you like what pair of trainers that I brought and how to style it, and I'll show you like how they look like and stuff. But if you wanted to get them so you can have a clear idea of what to dress with them, how they look like and whatnot, you know, sometimes it's just the best to actually watch YouTube video before you buy some stuff, you know. So yeah, this is the review basically guys. So let's start, let's get the trainers and let's start. This is how the trainers, this is the box right here. Oh, so this is the trainers guys. This is how they are right now. It's nothing special, just like a normal typical trainers box basically. And then the pair that I picked, it was this colors that I picked only because I just thought this is really girly and this is just amazing colors. They go amazing together and I thought it would go quite amazing with my outfit that I do have and my closet that I'm literally imagined to wear with this kind of Bible trainers in my feet. So the trainers called Nike Air Max 2019. So it's Nike Air Max 2090. So yeah, they're really lovely. I haven't worn them yet, so this is literally my first time that I'm gonna be wearing them. I tried them on store before I brought them and I got my normal size 6 in UK because I think the trainers, when I saw them and I thought they quite look big on the website, and when I went to try it, they're literally size 5. They're quite tight. So if you want to get this pair of trainers guys, go for your literally normal size. They will fit you perfectly. So this is my normal size UK, size 6 basically. And this is how they look like in the side. I just love the details inside. Like you can tell, like they literally sew it inside, like a blue sewing in goes like zigzag sewing inside. So this is really lovely. And this is how it looks like in the side. And this another side has like a little tick of Nike this side. And then the bottom of the trainers, there's nothing difficult, just like a normal. And then the side bit, you can tell, like you can see it right here, like a plastic. This is like a plastic. This usually is a plastic. So I don't know if you wear it for like a month, probably it's gonna wear out or it's gonna look a bit weird, because sometimes more of the trainers, they do have a plastic that do look a bit weird. If you wear like a couple months or 3 months, it will look a bit weird. The plastic will go like a bit saggy and whatnot, you get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, and this is like a chiffon right here. It's like a rubber. So this is like a rubber in these trainers right here. So I'm not a big fan of the rubber trainers, because sometimes when you wear rubber trainers, this side right here, that rubber, you can tell it has like a little lines right there, because the more you wear it, the more line it's gonna get, the more uglier trainers is gonna get basically, because is a rubber. So the more rubber you wear in trainers, the more it's gonna be a bit lining, creasing, whatnot. So I'm not big fan of that. So I'll see how it goes basically. But anyways, the back of the trainer has like a little fabric right there in the side, like a little hooker right there basically, and then little details of plastic right there, and then right here as well, just right there, open little plastic as well, size 6. So yeah, and I love the color. Like I said, there's literally multi-colors: pink, black, white, blue, a little bit grayish as well right there. So it's quite colorful trainers, and it has like a little Nike right there in the front as well, like you can see right there. So yeah, in these trainers, it looks like it's see-through right there. It has like a see-through fabric, but it's not see-through at all. It has like an extra fabric inside. But if you see it by yourself, you might think, oh my god, these trainers, you can see my face or you can see my socks when I wear it. And it looks like it's sporty, like a gym trainers, but you can literally dress it up. If you want to go to gym with it, you can, but they're quite expensive for go to gym for a trainer. It's 130 to just go in for a gym with it. No thank you, I'll put in my clothes and when I go out, when I wear it. But you can wear it at the gym and then you can wear it as normal going out. So I literally, it's up to you what kind of person you are basically. If you don't mind to spend 130 for the trainers to just only to go to gym with, this is a perfect literally trainers because they're really comfortable. But if you're that kind of person just think it's too much, you just want to wear it when you do go out, you can wear it as you go in out as well. But it's a bit, you can see like it's see-through right there. It has like a fabric on top like it's see-through, but it's not see-through at all because I took the what's it called, the paper out of it, and I put my hand inside, my right arm inside, but you cannot see my right arm, but you can see my little fingers like moving obviously in front, but you cannot see my my color of my arm. So that means it has a fabric inside. So it has a fabric inside, like a white fabric inside. So yeah, so the normal price, so the retail price they go for the trainer is 130. I got it from the store. I didn't get it from online. I got it from store, and I think on store they got like a, not all most of the color, they got few of the colors, but if you got it online they got quite a lot of colors, so you can choose the colors that you want. I wanted to go for this color right here. Let me just show you right there, but for my foot I thought that's quite bright for some reason, and you won't cannot wear that kind of bright color all the time. I think this is just like neutral colors and whatnot, so that will go bomb in my outfits. So yeah, let's start styling the video. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video. I really appreciate, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.